this just came in the post.
Oh, thanks, man.
There for you.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, no worries.
Let's go.
Alrighty, welcome back to another video. We are back on the roof of my house, and today we are reviewing 2 brand new GoPro mods for the Hero 8. Now GoPro released these mods back when they released the Hero 8, except they've only just now become available to buy on their website. And I had recently got a GoPro award, which means I could get a pretty good discount on these, so I thought, you know what, may as well get them, see what they're like, see if they make the Hero 8 any better than it already is. So at the moment I am filming on the Hero 8, as you can see, and so we're now going to open up these mods and chuck them on the Hero 8. So this one here is the media mod. So once this is attached to the GoPro, the audio will be enhanced a lot more than it already is, and the wind noise will be reduced a lot as well, so it's a lot more crisp and clear audio for the Hero 8. Now we also have this light mod, so you'll see in a second how good it actually is. Okay, so I just opened up the light mod, and this is what it looks like here. It's really cool. I really like the design of it. It's nice and small, and there's a little door opening here for recharging it. So this is just for the normal GoPro charger cord. We'll plug into this and recharge up this light when it goes flat. And it also comes with a little protection cover for I guess for when you're traveling, when you're moving around, you want to chuck this on to keep it safe. But I really like just how small and how versatile this little light actually is. So we'll turn it on so you can see what it's like. That's the first setting we've got. Then we've got a little bit brighter again, and then flash mode. I don't know what you'd use that for, but it's there for us to use. So that's the light. Now let's open up the media mod. Alrighty, so this is the first look of the little media mod. Now this looks really neat, I must admit. So it's got the shotgun mic on the side here, but also it's got all the buttons and little buttons that the GoPro actually has on it. So once it's on, you can still press film, and you can still switch between settings of photo and video. And also, so you'll see the little attachments on the side. So this little light can now clip onto the top here, just like that. And it's a full setup, ready to go. Now there's also another touch display screen which you can attach to here as well, but that's not available to buy yet because of, I think Corona's delayed it a bit. But I'll be sure to get that when it is available to get. But at the moment, we're going to chuck it on the Hero 8, what's filming now, and we're going to test the difference between the audio. So obviously you've listened to the audio up to now. Now we're going to put the microphone on and test the difference and see how good it actually is. Now let's do it. Alright, so we have the light mod attached and the media mod at the moment, and as you can see the audio is already so much better. So we're moving around a bit. There's a bit of a breeze, but you shouldn't be able to hear it because of the mod, obviously. And generally I'm just very stoked on these 2 little mods that GoPro have brought out, and I hope to see more from them in the future. What we'll also quickly do is just set up the camera, and we'll just move back a bit and we can keep testing out the audio. So now we're back here a bit and I'm talking, and hopefully the audio is still relatively good. So yeah, I'll obviously find out once I'm in the editing process. But yeah, really stoked on these little mods. Thank you, GoPro. Okay, so the light mod that we have on right now has 3 different settings. So at the moment it's turned off, and I'll turn it on for you. There, you can already see a big difference. Now we'll switch up to the next level. It's a little bit brighter, so it just brightens up the surroundings a bit more, and then it's got another level even brighter again, and now that's really hard to look at. It is very bright. But even if we step right back here, it's still like, it's lighting everything up, which is really cool. And there's obviously one more setting, which just flashes. I'm not sure what that will come in handy for, but maybe we'll find something out. And let's turn this off before I go blind. So that's the light for you. So yeah, thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you gained a little bit more knowledge on these new mods that GoPro have brought out. If you're bored, if you're sitting at home, you've got nothing to do, please click onto my channel, check out my other videos. I've got a few more, and I've got more on the way, so please press subscribe while you're there. Check out my Instagram. I've been doing all these weird, trippy laser edits, and pretty much all of them are like getting a lot of attention, so really stoked on that. So thanks to everyone. If you've seen them already, thank you for liking and sharing, as seems a lot of you are doing. So link to everything in the description. You can check it out all there. Quick shout out to my sponsor, Underwith. I'm wearing one of their long sleeves right now, and as you can see, it looks pretty fresh. So if you want to head over to their website, links in description. You can cop yourself some winter gear, and I'll link my other sponsors in the description as well. I've got a skateboard sponsor and another clothing sponsor, P3 by Parsley. Check them all out, links in the description. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We're going to be making more videos now that we've got this awesome setup, and we will see you in the next video. Catch you later.